Among the learned professions, veterinary medicine has failed to impress the world with the importance of its branch of applied science. When people think of the role of a veterinarian, they think of them being focused on the diagnosis and treatment of pets and farm animals. But the contributions of veterinary medicine are much broader than that. Veterinary medicine is necessary for not only the well-being of the animals, but also the societal needs and challenges to animal and human health and to the environment. Veterinary medicine research has contributed to the understanding and improvement of human health. Rudolf Virchow, the father of comparative medicine and advancer of public health, stated, "Between animal and human medicine there is no dividing lines, nor should there be. The object is different, but the experience obtained constitutes the basis of medicine." Virchow's statement is proclaiming that all animal species, including humans, are related and that all knowledge gained in one species benefits all species. Veterinary research consists of the research on prevention, control, diagnosis, and treatment of diseases of animals, and on the basic biology, welfare, and care of animals. The contributions of veterinary research in the advancement of medicine are rich. As modern science has evolved, Pasteur's experiments in rabies and anthrax vaccination in sheep, Koch's studies of tuberculosis, and Salmon's direction of research in the U.S. Bureau of Animal Industry have all developed the knowledge of comparative and veterinary research. A more recent study is with Ralph L. Brinster's embryo transplantation. He takes embryos from the germline of a developing organism and places them in another. This discovery has allowed researchers to produce animals with selected traits that are indispensable models in understanding the life processes and diseases. Veterinary medicine protects the world's food supply also, from the farm to the dinner table. The veterinary community helps to protect the health and prosperity of animals that produce eggs, milk, meat, and other protein and fiber products. Healthy animals lead to healthy products. In 1884, Congress established the Bureau of Animal Industry. Because of this has prevented diseases or diseased animals from being used in food and food products. Veterinarians are on the forefront of this department. According to the Center of Disease Control and Prevention, a total of 14 diseases have been eliminated since 1892. Tuberculosis, brucellosis, salmonellosis, and rabies are all examples of zoonotic diseases that have been eliminated, but they have to be monitored so that they do not reemerge. Veterinarians are initiating an approach to better understand the health effects of mismanaged ecosystems. People and animals share the same environment, thus what affects the well-being of water, air, and land for people also affects the water, air, and land of animals. This has been called the ecosystem health, ecosystem health, and it was created so that veterinarians could manage that role in that field. Veterinarians have the training that gives them the position of addressing public health issues and helping meet public health needs. On completion of their clinical training, veterinarians take an oath that states, "I solemnly swear to use my scientific knowledge and skills for the benefit of society through the protection of animal health and welfare, the prevention and relief of animal suffering, the conservation of animal resources, the promotion of public health, and the advancement of medical knowledge." As a result, veterinarians are on the front line of environmental research. Important changes in land use, expansion of large and intensified animal production units, and microbial and chemical pollution of land and water sources have created new threats to the health of both humans and animals. Even though veterinary medicine is looked down upon by most of the society, there profession contributes to the improvement of human health and public health, the improvement of agriculture and food systems, advancement of biomedical research, prevention of zoonotic diseases, enhancement of environmental health, plus more. The possibilities of how veterinary medicine will improve and affect the world are endless.